Now, next gland, the name is pineal gland. This gland is located where? At brain. Look, hypothalamus is also present in brain. Pituitary gland also present in brain, and this last pineal gland also present in brain. So you think about it, your brain contain 3 glands. This is a wow factor. Pineal gland is located on the dorsal side of forebrain. I repeat, our brain divided into 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. And hypothalamus present in forebrain, pituitary gland also present in forebrain, and pineal gland. This gland is also present in forebrain. Pineal secrete a hormone called melatonin. Pineal secrete only one hormone. This is called it as a melatonin. This is very important. Seriously, very important hormone for circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm. This is our biological clock. This is our biological clock. Look at here. Melatonin plays a very important role in regulation of 24 hours. Look at here, 24 hours rhythm of our body. For example, look at here. It keeps the maintaining the normal rhythms of sleep wake cycle. When we wake up morning, when we sleep at night, who regulate? Melatonin. Our body temperature, our inside body temperature is regulated by whom? Melatonin. In addition, melatonin also influences metabolism, in digestion, okay, pigmentation, skin color, the menstrual cycle, as well as our defense capability. Yeah, our menstrual cycle also regulated by melatonin. And which gland responsible for melatonin? We call it as a pineal gland. When egg have to release, okay, each and every one by one egg release from both the ovaries, okay, as well as defense capability when we fight. Now, our next gland, the name is thyroid gland. Where this gland located? Look, where this gland is located. This gland located in our neck side. Our neck contain thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is composed of 2 lobes, okay, which are located on either side of trachea. This is our trachea. Look at here. This is our trachea. This is cartilaginous rings. This is our larynx, sound box, and this is one lobe, and this is another lobe. Okay, so 2 lobes present either side of trachea. Both the lobes are interconnected with a thin filament of connective tissue called isthmus. Simply, this is the isthmus part. The thyroid gland is composed of first follicles, and second is stromal tissues. Follicle part and stromal part, they both are tissues. Follicle part is important for hormone secretion. This is important for hormone secretion, and stromal part is responsible for storage. I repeat, follicle part is responsible for synthesis and secretion of hormone. Synthesis and secretion of hormone. And stromal tissue is responsible for storage, give support, give nutrition. Okay, so follicular cells secrete two hormones, T4 and T3 hormone. T4 hormones have multiple names. First, T4 hormone, second, thyroxine, and third, tetraiodothyronine. Why tetra? Because here iodine is 4 in number. That's why we called it as a tetrathyroidine. Next, another hormone is triiodothyronine. Because why tri? Tri means 3 iodine group. So, follicular cell secrete two hormone, T4 hormone and T3 hormone. They are responsible for metabolism, and in frog they are responsible for metamorphosis. Deficiency of iodine in our diet result in hyperthyroidism. If I told you before, hormone work in their trace amount. If hormone increase, then they cause disease. If hormone decrease, then they also cause disease. If hormone, which hormone? If thyroid hormone is decreased, then that kind of person suffer from hypothyroidism, and this disease is normally called as a Goiter disease. The thyroid glands enlargement of thyroid gland because due to deficiency of iodine. So that person suffer from hypothyroidism, and disease name is goiter. Which are the symptoms of this disease? The enlargement of thyroid gland. The enlargement of these thyroid gland swollen in size. Okay. Hypothyroidism during pregnancy cause deficiency, defective development and maturation of growing fetus and baby. Means this is not a one symptom, that enlargement of thyroid gland. If woman pregnant and she takes less iodine product in their diet, then her baby born with multiple defects, their delay in maturation, their stunted growth, mental retardation, less IQ, low intelligence, okay, IQ level very low, abnormal skin, deaf mutism. Okay, so baby have this much defect if pregnant women suffer from iodine deficiency at the age of pregnancy. Now, hypothyroidism may cause menstrual cycle to become irregular. Those girls who have irregulation in their life cycle या फिर menstrual cycle, please check their iodine level. Due to cancer of thyroid gland or due to development of nodules of thyroid gland, the rate of synthesis and secretion of thyroid hormone is increased. When thyroid hormone secretion increase, this term will call it as a hyper. If secretion is less, we call it as a hypo. If secretion is increased, we call it as a hyperthyroidism. And disease is exothalamic goiter. What is the symptom of exothalamic goiter? That kind of person suffer from increasing metabolic rate, basal metabolic rate. Next symptom, weight loss. Next symptom, their protrusion of eyeball, means eyeballs come outside from their eye cavity. Thyroid hormone play an important role in regulation of basal metabolic rate. I told you now, this is responsible for metabolism. These hormones also support the process of RBC formation. Thyroid hormone also promote RBC blood cell formation. This is the question for neet. Exothalamic goiter, this is a disease, and this is also called it as a Graves' disease. This is another question of neet and other UPSC level exam. Okay, thyroid hormone control the metabolism of carbohydrate, protein, fat, means thyroid hormone is responsible for carbohydrate digestion, protein digestion, fat digestion. They maintain carbohydrate level, protein level and fat level in our body. Maintenance of water and electrolyte balance is also influenced by thyroid hormone. They maintain water level in our body. Electrolytes means ions. Electrolytes means ions. They balance our ions. We know that this is our cell. Outside of cell have positive charge and inside of cell contain negative charge. Okay, thyroid gland also secrete a protein hormone called thyrocalcitonin. This is the important neat level question. Which gland produce thyrocalcitonin, which regulate the blood calcium level? In blood, this hormone maintain calcium level. So this is all about thyroid gland. So guys, if you like my lecture, my video, then please subscribe my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel Adhyan with Flow. And thank you for listening me. Keep smiling. Thanks a lot.